Hey guys, Red Wolf here, and I'm back with another video. This time, it's my cat Tigger.